friends, it is Lisa Mason Ziegler, and today I'm here to invite you once again to our live shopping show at 12 noon Eastern Time. And I am going to be talking about all of this harvest. And today, friends, we are going through the Seed Starting 101, like some basics. We are heading in, some of you may already be in, heading into seed starting time for cool flowers, right? So we're going to do a little overview of all that, do some demonstrations, talk about what's blooming on the farm, as well as my sunflower cover crop that's blooming. We're going to talk about that. Just have tons of beautifulness and just a lot of great stuff today. So if you don't already have my phone app, that's the place to really watch the show. You have more options. You get to enter for the giveaway. Giving away a $25 store credit today to one lucky live viewer. And so check it out. You just go, you can either say app here, APP, comment that word, APP, and it'll DM you the link to download it, or you can just visit your phone's app store. So friends, we've been busy getting ready. I just came in from cutting a few more flowers, and we are super excited for the show today because I feel like even though we kicked off Cool Flowers last week, I think for the next 3 months, that's really what we're all about, right? Is Cool Flowers. So get the app. It's free. You just download it. In the app, you can do things like build a wish list. You can enter for the drawing. You can actually comment and talk with the other viewers during the live show, which is lots of fun. There's replays that you can watch. And in there, on every product, when you go to it, a great video pops up and starts playing. So it's a lot of fun. And we find that people shop on the app as much as they do our website, which is pretty phenomenal. And we love you guys because we have new people every week, and we know it's because y'all are sharing it. So I really appreciate it. I hope to see you at 12 noon. I'm going to go in and get a little fluffed up here, and then I will see you back here 12 noon Eastern Time inside the app for our live shopping show. Y'all, just think QVC type show with me, with our products, and all these beautiful flowers, right? So we're going to go through all of them, and I'm telling you, the zinnias are to die for. All right, friends, ciao.